Hello my dear students, I hope you all are safe at your places. I'm back on my channel with part 2 of solid shapes. Today we have to learn about faces, vertices and edges of 3D shapes, right? But before that, I request you please subscribe my channel, like my video and write name and class in the comment section. So, first of all we have to learn what are edges, vertices and faces. So let's start. Cube. This is cube and this is the surface of cube. That means these are faces of cube. Okay. Face is a surface of solid shape. So these are faces of cube. Okay. Let's count faces of cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and opposite side 6. That means cube has 6 faces. Okay. Now this is sphere. This is sphere and there is no starting and ending point of a face. That means sphere has one face. Sphere has one face only. Okay. Now look at here. This is cone. This is one face of a cone and this is another face of a cone. So cone has two faces. Cone has two faces. Okay. Now let's move forward and talk about edge. Okay. Edge is a line between two faces. Yes. Edge is a line between two faces. So this is cuboid in my hand. Let's count edges of cuboid. So this is the face of cuboid and this is another face of a cuboid. And here is the line. You can see here is the line between these two faces. That is called edge. So this is edge. Okay, now let's count edges of cuboid. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite side 9, 10, 11, 12. So cuboid has 12 edges. Yes, cuboid has 12 edges. Now we will count edges of cylinder. Yes, now we will count edges of cylinder. This is the one face of cylinder and this is the another face of a cylinder, and here's the line between these two faces. This is the curved line between these two faces and this is called edge. Yes, this is called edge. So 1, 2. That means cylinder has two edges. Cylinder has two edges. Yes. This is cone and here's the face of a cone and here's the another face of a cone and here's the line between these two faces. That is called edge. Yes. So that means cone has only one edge. Yes. Okay. Now we will talk about vertices. We already know vertices are corners. Yes, vertices are corners. Okay. Now tell me how many vertices are there in this shape. This is cube and how many vertices are there? Okay, let's count vertices of a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite side 5, 6, 7, 8. So cube has 8 vertices. Yes, cube has 8 vertices. Okay, so now we will count vertices, faces and edges of solid shapes. So let's start. First we will count faces, edges and vertices of a cube. Cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All faces are square in shape and all faces are equal in size. Yes, we can see equal squares in cube. Now we will count edges of a cube. Cube has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cube has 12 edges. Now we will count vertices of a cube. Cube has 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, cube has 8 vertices, means corners. So, next shape is cuboid. First we will count faces of a cuboid. Cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, all faces are rectangular in shape. Opposite faces of cuboid are equal. Yes, these two faces are equal, these two faces are equal and these two faces are equal. Now we will count edges of a cuboid. Cuboid has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, cuboid has 12 edges. Now we will count vertices of a cuboid. Cuboid has 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, cuboid has 8 vertices. Okay, so next shape is cylinder. Yes, cylinder. First we will talk about faces of a cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. You can see in the picture we have 2 flat faces in a cylinder and 1 curved face. These two are flat faces and this one is curved face. Flat faces are equal in size and circular in shape. We can see on the screen the shape of flat faces is circle, and we can see both the circles are same in size. We have learned about cylinder that cylinder is a rolling object due to its curved face. Okay, and these two flat faces are joined with one curved face and form a cylinder. Yes. Now we will talk about edges of a cylinder. Cylinder has two circular edges, that mean the shape of edges is circle. And cylinder has no vertex. Next shape is cone. Cone has one flat face and one curved face. Cone has total two faces. You can see on the screen. Cone has two faces. One face of a cone is flat and circle in shape. We can see on the screen it is flat and circle in shape. And another one is curved face. Yes. Now we will talk about edges of a cone. Cone is also having a circular edge like cylinder. But cylinder is having two circular edges and cone is having one circular edge, only one circular edge, and only one vertex is there in the shape of cone. Next shape is sphere. Yes, round sphere. I already told you there is no ending and starting point of a face in a sphere shape. That's why sphere has one curved face. Only one curved face. What is face? Face is the surface of a solid shape. So sphere has one curved face or surface. And there is no vertex and edge in the sphere shape. That's all about this topic. I hope you all understood. Your homework is attached in the description box. Please check it out. Do it carefully. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.